you're welcome to my channel. If you're new, I am Akosia, and thanks for joining me. So today's video, it's about a tutorials on how to draw your brows a simple way and an affordable way, just for beginners. So guys, don't let's waste much time. Let's move to the video. Without your brows, your makeup looks incomplete. So guys, I know it's very difficult. I didn't just wake up one day and then I started drawing my brows. It was something that when I'm in the house, when I've got nothing doing, I used to draw them and do something on my own. Although it wasn't easy starting, but I think I'm not perfect. I'm still learning. You can do the same thing if you really want to draw your brows. You want to be your own makeup artist. I think you got to try something on your own. Your brows are not bushy. They aren't bushy. Make sure you've trimmed them and then they are in good shape. They are not overgrown, in order to get a perfect brows after you're drawing. And one most important thing you need to check is that you have to make sure your pencil is in good shape. Sharpen them before you use them, otherwise you want to go and get a sharp edge of your brow. So sharpen them with sharpener. Yeah, I think with the blade then it's going to be something else, so I prefer using the sharpener. Yes, and then you are good to go. You can use this sharpener and I think it will be the best. So guys, don't let's waste much time. Let's move to the tutorials. That's my pencil, and you have to brush your brows. My brows are already shaped, so it's going to be very easier. So I am done drawing the brows. Now it's time for me to apply my concealer in order to give me a shape that I want. Yes, so this is the concealer. Apply some here. I'm done. I'm going for this.